Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. Specifications. Key specs. RAM 8GB. Processor. Samsung Exynos 2200. Rear camera 108MP plus 12MP plus 12MP plus 12MP. Front camera 32MP. Battery 5000 mAh. Display 6.8 inches. 17.27 centimeters. General. Launch date May 24. 2023. Unofficial. Operating system. Android V12. Custom UI Samsung One UI. Performance. Chipset Samsung Exynos 2200. CPU OCTA Core, 2.8 GHz, single core, Cortex X2 plus 2.52 GHz, tri-core, Cortex A710 plus 1.82 GHz, quad core, Cortex A510. Architecture 64-bit. Fabrication 4 nanometers. RAM 8 GB. Display. Display type Dynamic AMOLED. Screen size 6.8 inches, 17.27 centimeters. Resolution 1440 by 3200 pixels. Pixel density 516p. Bezel-Less Display yes with punch hole display. Touchscreen yes, capacitive touchscreen, multi-touch. Design. Waterproof yes, water resistant, IP68. Ruggedness dust proof. Rear camera. Camera setup resolution quad. Camera MP lens features. Primary camera 108 MP. Secondary camera 12 MP ultra-wide angle. Thirdly camera 12 MP telephoto. Quaternary 12 MP. Autofocus yes. Y yes. Flash yes, LED flash. Image resolution 12,000 by 9,000 pixels. Settings exposure compensation, ISO control. Shooting continuous shooting. Modes high dynamic range mode, HDR. Camera features digital zoom. Auto flash face detection touch to focus. Front camera. Camera setup resolution single. Camera MP. Primary camera 32 MP. Battery. Capacity 5000 mAh. Type Li polymer. Removable no. Wireless charging yes. Quick charging yes fast. USB Type C yes. Storage. Expandable memory no. User available storage up to 128 GB. Network connectivity. SIM slots dual SIM, GSM plus GSM. SIM size SIM1, Nano, SIM2 Nano. Network support 5G not supported in India, 4G supported in India, 3G, 2G. VO LTE yes. SIM1 4G bands, 3G bands, 2G bands, GPRS, Edge. SIM2 4G bands, 3G bands, 2G bands, GPRS, Edge. Wi-Fi yes, Wi-Fi 4, 802.11 BGN. Wi-Fi features mobile hotspot. Bluetooth yes, V5.2. GPS yes with a GPS. NFC yes. USB mass storage device, USB charging. Connectivity. Multimedia, loudspeaker yes. Audio jack USB Type C. Sensors. Fingerprint sensor yes. Fingerprint sensor position on screen. Fingerprint sensor type ultrasonic. Other sensors. Light sensor, proximity sensor, accelerometer, compass, gyroscope. Request. If you like this information please do like and subscribe my channel as a humble request. Thanks for watching my video. I hope we will meet in the next video. Have a great day.